Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is my classroom tour. I'm going to go through it pretty fast. I'm on my planning hour right now. I'm supposed to be working and procrastinating. I'm going to show you as much as I can. I've got to try to block out school stuff and names and things like that, so hopefully you understand. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Okay, so here is an overview of my classroom. It's a bit of a mess right now because they were vacuuming and cleaning, which is fine. And my friend had to store her podium in my room for a little bit. There's this weird nook back here. I'm not sure what to do. I don't like that there's a desk there, so I think I'll put a lamp or something there, or maybe like a short bookshelf and a lamp behind it to kind of keep kids from being over there. I don't know where George is going yet. He is huge. But he has to be here somewhere. I am going to cover this. I have some stuff to cover it with. Need to figure a place for all that stuff. The doors, these two doors are gonna come off, so they'll be like open shelves, and there's more shelves over here. Tons of storage, like tons. I'm really excited. I'm gonna see if I can slip this into the bottom along with my microwave into there, so that, yeah. And I'm a total mess right now. I'm just using a plan book to get things going, but as I do like change things, I'll show you guys how it's going. Okay, so I'm going to do my classroom tour. Sorry it is taking so long. So here's my front door. That is, or my door. That is the cover for the window. I just made it myself. It's stuck with a magnet. Then we have Mr. George Washington, and I have these really cool light covers. Kind of see them. They're also magnetic, and then I'll give you kind of like an overview. This is real. This is me trying to get this done because my desk is a mess. So this is my podium area with the presidents all right there. I'm gonna try not to show anything that tells what school I'm in. This is my like student center paper, their absent binder, absent work. Flags of Old Glory is right there. Just why we learn history. I still need to figure something out for that. This I think is a cool like thing. This is like one of those temporary walls, so it's ugly, but they can flip it up and it tells them the answer. Some student work, lights in the corners. My back cabinets have my posters that I've had for several years. This is my area. Over here I have pictures of past students. I have my fridge and my cute, adorable microwave. This all still needs to be fixed and done. This is like a little bit about me kind of stuff. My desk area here, it's a mess. I have like work that needs to be graded there and then graded and turned back there. This table is where like they can trade their phone for a pencil, and then worksheets that we're currently doing. And then here I have my turn in and late basket and the no name pile. And then I'm trying not to show names. So then I have my history fact of the day, or this day in history, and then just an overview of what we're doing for the week, and then some stuff there, my little clock right there. So that is my classroom tour of my 8th grade history class.